model search in the country, Model Watch. Tonight, we travel the distance to discover new beauty, confident, exuberant, free-spirited, dynamic, and extremely smart. We scale greater heights to experience new style, individualistic, very personal, and highly expressive. And we ventured into this search to live that elusive dream every girl would die for. The screening sessions have started, the big search has begun. Tonight, we'll determine who will be Iloilo's Magic 5 to compete in the Grand Finals night in Manila in December. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the 14 finalists of Model Watch Iloilo. Model Watch aims to provide an avenue to all aspiring